Tonight we're doing steaks and scallops. We're at the Outer Banks, so we're calling this our version of surf and turf. So I've already heated up the grill. I've seasoned the steaks. So when I season them, what I like to do is first you just poke holes in them with a fork. That helps the marinade and such get all the way down through there and go all the way through. Then I put garlic, salt, pepper, and either some red pepper or cayenne or chili powder or something to kind of give it a little extra kick, bring some heat to it. Then put some Worcestershire sauce and throw it in the bag. So we'll let it cook on this side for a few minutes. Flip it over, cook it a few minutes more on the other side. And they'll be ready to go. And we'll break out the scallops.
Cool. Why would we want to marinate our meat?
Give it flavor. And if you'd like the recipe for Kentucky Mule, I have a video for that. I'll try to link up there, maybe, if I can figure out how. We're enjoying some of them tonight.
They're quite tasty.
They're having fun. Okay, so it's been, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes. And the steak's starting to turn brown on the edges, so it's ready to flip. And once I flip it, I like to take the rest of the marinade, pour it on. I had more marinade in there than I thought. Gotta help give them a little bit more flavor, keep them juicy. And also season the grill some more in case it's not seasoned enough. I had to check to make sure I didn't cut it off because it all got quiet. Alright, so the steaks are done and the camera person left me, so we're just going to take them off the grill. And wrap them in aluminum foil until everything else is ready.
Hello, friends. We're back with seasoning your scallops. Please season some food. So I have my scallops. These are bay scallops that I bought at the fish market. And I'm just going to put them very quickly onto my very, very warm. Oh, there. Come on, little friend. So, scallops do not take a long time to cook. So I've seasoned them with Old Bay. So you can get my head in the frame.
But now you're not going to hear you.
Well, my head's not in the frame. You're tall. Okay. So, I'll let these little scallops cook. They're seasoned with Old Bay. Once they are firm to the touch, take them off, and we will serve them with our steaks. And here we are, waiting for the scallops to cook. We just keep waiting. So scallops are one of my favorite things to eat out of the ocean, mainly because they taste good. So I'll kind of flip them over, kind of move them around a little bit so that they get, these are a little bit smaller than other scallops that you can get, but they are going to be pretty quick cooking. The goal is not to cook them too long or they become like rubber. Whoops! One just done run away.
It might have some extra Worcestershire sauce flavoring.
Alright, we're almost done. We'll plate these up in a couple of minutes. Actually, probably less than a couple of minutes after my production assistant brings me a plate.
While we wait, cheers. Apparently they're done now.
They're done. If I were smart, I would have asked for a spatula. I am not smart.
Grab the plate, some loaf of bread, and the butter. While Sarah is getting the rest of those off, the production assistant is preparing garlic bread. Now we're putting the pressure on her to see how well she can spread butter on a piece of bread and make toast. It's a very complicated process.
You want to come clean up your... I don't know how you do this.
The trick is to spread the butter all over the toast and not just in one spot. As you see there, we would like every bite to have some butter in it.
You can help.
Apparently the butter is winning the battle. Maybe if there was a TikTok video, this would go a little easier. No, there's no such thing as too much butter.
Yes, there is. There is such thing.
Ignore the production assistant. She does not know what she means when she says there is too much butter.
It is too much butter.
Well, scrape some off and put it on the other slice. Okay, so our production assistant finally finished spreading the butter. So we're going to take some garlic powder and sprinkle over it. And then slap it on the grill and we'll have garlic bread. Alright, put a little oil down on the grill. And we're going to throw it butter side down. like so. And just give it a few minutes. Also, the grill's been on for a while, so it's really hot. So this won't take long at all. And there we have some golden fried toasted garlic bread. And here we have the completed course. We're going to pair it with a side salad and call it a meal. Enjoy. If you like this, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like it, please put in the comment what you didn't like about it and how we can make it better. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.